Sir, what was Byzantium engineering logic?
Do you want to know? It's going to be history night. Be ready.
Rome did not fall when Byzantium rose. It transformed. Stone, concrete, and geometry remained, but their purpose changed forever. This was the moment architecture stopped organizing empire and began shaping belief. In the year 330 CE, Emperor Constantine I made a decision that altered architectural history.
Go and call architect Anthemius. Tell him I want to see him.
My lord, this is the design bill of quantity.
It was the continuation of Rome, with a new soul. Roman architecture had always been practical and civic. Forums organized law. Basilicas housed courts. Baths disciplined daily life. Architecture controlled behavior. But in Byzantium, architecture took on a different responsibility. It became sacred space. The greatest architectural breakthrough of Byzantium was the dome, but not the Roman dome of the Pantheon, heavy, grounded, and monumental. Byzantine architects introduced pendentives, curved triangular forms that allowed a circular dome to rest on a square base. This innovation made interiors feel continuous, unified, and limitless. The dome no longer symbolized the weight of empire. It symbolized the order of the cosmos. This logic reached its highest expression under Emperor Justinian I. In 537 CE, he completed the greatest Byzantine structure ever built, Hagia Sophia. The architects were Anthemius of Tralles, a mathematician and engineer, and Isidore of Miletus, an architect and structural theorist. Together, they created a space where architecture, geometry, light, and theology merged into one system. The massive dome appears to float. 40 windows pierce its base, dissolving weight into light. Contemporary observers said the dome was suspended from heaven. This was not poetry. It was engineering used to express belief. Light became a building material. Gold mosaics reflected candlelight endlessly. Forms lost mass. Time felt suspended. Byzantine churches adopted centralized plans and Greek cross layouts, reinforcing a new idea that God stood at the center, not the ruler. Even during periods of iconoclasm, when religious images were challenged, architectural space itself remained symbolic through geometry, proportion, and illumination. Byzantine architecture was not about decoration. It was about order, eternity, and transcendence. When Constantinople fell in 1453, this architecture did not vanish. Its logic spread into Orthodox churches, Islamic mosques, and later empires. Rome had not ended. It had learned to speak in light. And this was only the beginning.